So it's your first session at UOW. Once you've enrolled in your degree, it's time to make your timetable. The first step is to find out when classes are on. It is really important to make sure you will have no clashes when creating your timetable. To find your subject requirements, log into SOLS. Opening dates and times are different for each subject. To check the times, select the Enrolment menu, then Tutorial Enrolment in the left-hand SOLS menu. This table shows the opening times for each subject. Tutorials fill up quickly, so it's important to be prepared and ready at the tutorial opening times. Before tutorials are available to enroll in, they will be green. When they open, they will be yellow. If tutorials are full, they will be pink. You may not get the first choice you were hoping for, so you may need to select another option. If all tutorials for a particular subject are full, you will need to contact your Faculty Central. Once you find your preferred available class in yellow, click on it to make your selection. Then click Enroll Now. When you have successfully enrolled in a tutorial, it will appear in My Timetable. If you need more help, you can click on Familiarise yourself with this process, which will take you to a range of FAQs.